welcome back to my computer class. Today I will teach you about a new language, Scratch. Before we learn the Scratch, we must know about computer languages. What is meant by a computer language? Already we studied what is meant by a computer language. Okay. Then what is a program? What is meant by programmer? And what are the programming languages? I will explain these things before we study about this Scratch programming language. Okay, let's learn. We all know Scratch is a programming language. Then what is meant by a program? Let's learn about that one. Okay, what is that? Program means, what's a program? It is a collection of different instructions that instruct the computers for perform various tasks. We all know computer is a machine. With the help of human beings only computer can work. Okay, that means a human can give the instruction to the computer. The group of these instructions are called a program. Okay, what is meant by programming? It is a way to create any program with the help of different codes which are written in programming languages. Okay, we can create different programs with the help of some programming languages. We all know about some programming languages. We are familiar with the Java, C++, Visual Basic, like that programming languages are there. Okay, using these programming languages, we can create programs. With the help of these programming languages, we can create programs. That is what is called a programming. Okay, then who is the programmer? Programmer is the person who creates programs by using programming language. The person who creates the programs by using some programming language is known as programmer. I think you understood about this one. What is meant by program, what is meant by programming, and at last we all know about a program also. After studying about this Scratch programming language, we will create some programs using this Scratch programming language. Then we will become a programmer. Okay. Shall we start Scratch programming? Okay, let's learn. Start our Scratch programming. Okay. Before starting, how to download Scratch program to your computer. How can you download it? Do you know? Using scratch.mit.edu. From using that site, scratch.mit.edu. Using this website, we can download this Scratch software. See, can you see this picture? One cat picture. My arrow is here. See, this is the symbol of Scratch software. I already downloaded it from the internet. You just double click on there, then you can open this Scratch window. This is very helpful for you. If you are a beginner, that means it's mainly this developed for children, because they can easily easily develop their games using this software. Okay, and and like this way we can open this one, and this Scratch has been developed by MIT Media Lab in 2008. Okay, then this is the Scratch window. When you double click on that symbol, you can, or you type in all programs, using all programs, you can select the Scratch program if it is there. Okay, then you will get like this window. See, it's very beautiful. Okay, then we can see the title bar first. Can you see this symbol? Okay, this is the symbol of Scratch 2 programming. Then this is called a title bar, and there are three buttons. What are they? Minimize, restore, and close button. And what's the use of this minimize button? It is used to minimize. When you click on there, it will go to title bar. What is the use of this restore button? It is used to resize your window. Again, if you press on there, you can maximize your window. What's the use of this button? This is used to close your window. Okay, these are the things available in title bar. Title bar is used to display the name of the software. Okay, and this bar is called a menu bar. What is this? Menu bar. In this menu bar, we can see different options, and this is called a display area, okay, or stage area. Okay, stage. This one is called a stage, and this one is called as this symbol is called as sprite. This is sprite. When you take any images, that one is when you take each time when you take each one, that is called as sprite in this one. Okay, and this is one this is the sprite area. We can select any sprite when you added some sprites. So we can select it from here. Okay, and this is the programming area. Here we can write the programs. Okay, and we will take a detailed study about of this menu bar. First, we can see a scratch text here. Can you see this one? Scratch text. What is the use of this one? Do you know? Scratch. This is called a. Before that, I will explain about sprite. What is the use of sprite? Sprite is a graphical element that can perform various tasks. What is the use of sprite? Sprite is a graphical element that can perform various tasks. Okay, and we can see menu bar here. In menu bar, what are the elements here? This is called a scratch logo. This one is called a globe button. This one is called a file menu. Here edit menu, tips and about. And some more buttons are here. This is called a rubber stamp. That is used to take the duplicates. This is called a, what is this? Do you know? Delete button. What is this? This is grow and next one is shrink. I will explain. This is help box. Explain in detail. What is the use of this scratch logo? The scratch logo is a link of scratch website. If you click on this logo, then it will take you the scratch website. If you click on this one, then you can directly go to the website of this scratch software. Okay, that is the use of this scratch window. If you have net connection, you can directly go to this scratch website. Okay, and what is the use of this next button? This is called a globe button. What is the use of this one? Here we can see the English language. All the texts are displayed in English language. We can select the more other languages from using this globe button. Okay, I will show you. Here there is a button. There is an arrow. We can select Malayalam language. See, like this way. Okay. If you want to change your language, if you want to change this language into your language, you can use this globe button. Okay. And again, I will change into English. Okay. Then next one is file menu. What is this file menu? What is the use of file menu? Do you know? If you want to take a new file, you can use this option. New option. If you then if you want to, after creating your program, you must you want to store this file to computer. What is the use of that one? We can take it again. Because of that, we need to store this file to computer. For that purpose, we are using this save button. Okay, if you are using this option, we can save your file after completing your program writing. Okay, and we can give the names. The name, we can save your file. What is the use of save as file? Save as option is used to rename your file. And what's the use of open button? It's used to open your file again. Okay. What is the use of record project video? If you want to record some project, you can use this one. Share to website means after creating your file, you can share to website. Okay. Like this way. Then using password and everything, we can share to your website. Check for update. Quit also there. Okay, if you want to quit from this file, you just click on quit option. And what is the use of edit menu? Do you know? Then when you do something, if any mistake happen, if you want to delete it, and we will delete afterwards. We think it. If you want to get it again, you can use undelete button. Okay, and next option. It's a same effect of undo and all. Okay. Then small stage layout means you can reduce the size of your stage. Again, if you want to get it, just click on that. Then turbo mode also there. Okay. Then next one is very turbo mode. Okay. Okay. That we will study in detail. Okay. Then next one. What's the next option? tips is very helpful for you. Turbo mode, I will switch off that one. Okay. Then tips. What's the use of this one? You know, it's very helpful for you because if you don't know anything about programming, how to create game development and all, we can use this one. How? If you are a beginner, you can use this one tips and select any one of this one. Okay, some games are here. Already created programming games are here. If you click on someone, let us dance. I will click there. Then, how can you create this one? Do you know? There are some options are there. They will help you to do the programs. That means that they will give the codes to you. If you click on here, see, I will show you how can you do this one. See, uh, uh, using this hints, you can develop the same game here also. You are obeying these hints. Okay. This is very helpful for you if you want first time. If you are first time in this one, you can use this option to create a good game here. Okay. Using these hints, we can create games here. Okay. That is the use of tips button. Okay. After that, about means help. Okay. Then next one, here also there are some buttons. What is this? Duplicate. If you want to if you want to take a duplicate copy of your picture, you just click on here and then click on here also. Then you can take a duplicate sprite here. And if you want to delete the first one, you just click on here and click on here. Okay. And if you want to, how can you take the duplicates? Do you know? Just click and drag it like this way. Wonder, just click on here. And what is the use of this one? Grow means will increase the size of your picture. And if you want to reduce the size of your picture, use a shrink button like this way. Okay, these are the uses of these buttons. Okay, and this one is called a stage. Okay, display area. And after that, we can see here some picture also, and we can change these images. How? There are some options. See, from this button, if you click on this button, you can see different options are here. Okay, when you scroll down using this one, you can see different options available here. Okay, when you select one option, that you can insert into your picture. I want to select a girl's picture. It's very slow because of that. It's not coming. See, different things are here. Okay, which one you need that you can select. You may select from this list. Okay, I will select this picture. Then click on OK button. See this picture added to my page. Okay, my again if you want to select it, just click on here. And if you want to take a butterfly, how can you take? Okay, different butterflies are there. Okay, like this way you can create your pictures. Okay, and if you want to paint something, you just use this one in the new sprite. Your own creativity you can use here. And using these brushes, you can first you select any color here and you may draw something like this way. I am not very good in painting. You may draw something like this way. Okay, it will come here also. See. Okay, and if you want to type something, you just use this button and click here. Before that, you may select the color. Okay, we'll type first. Click on here. You can type anything. Happy birthday, like this way. You can type. Okay. Then, if you want to create a ellipse, circle shape, just click on here and you may draw the things. And fill color you can use like this way. Select the thing and click here. Okay. Oh, select. It's not select. Okay, like this way you may select. Then you are painting things already created. See. Then if you don't want it, you can use this clear button. Then if you don't want this one, undo button you may use like this way. Okay. Okay. Then some more things are there and you can change, select the things like this way. Select tool is this one. you may select like this way. Okay, if you don't want this one, you may select like this and click on delete button. Okay, like this way you may select. Okay, like this way you can delete the things also. And after that, you just click on here. You can select the pictures like this way. And select duplicates using this one. Like this way. Okay. You click on here, you must select. Don't want. Okay, may do like this way. Then after that, some more option is here. We can take the picture from here also. If you want to take a aeroplane, you can just click on there, select it, click on OK. Sorry, okay. See, sorry, not a aeroplane. The one voice picture came. Okay, like this way you may select the picture from here. I wish just okay. Add using add button you can add the pictures from the library. Okay. Okay, file also we can add it to this file. Okay, and we can resize and some direction also we can change. Zoom all option is there. Okay, then convert to vector, that we will study later. Okay, like this way we can create different, and if you want to move this sprite from here, if you want to move one sprite, you just click on that sprite. Okay, then you can move the sprite everywhere. And if you want to take the copy, how can you take the copy? You just click on this duplicate button, just click on here like this. See, again if you want to select a copy of, just click on here and move like this way. It's very simple. Like this way we can create different images. Okay, it's very interesting. It's children. And if you want to select this girl's picture, how can you select it? You just click on there. Okay, then you can move and take the copies on. You don't want it, you just use this one. Okay, in the next class I will show how to create the games and all. Okay, in this video we studied about how can you insert the picture and all. Then how can you save this one file? Using this option, save option is there. Then when you click on save option, you can see different folders are here. From this folder you may select any of the folder, and after that you type a name here. Program first one I will give like that, program 1. Okay, save. Click on save button. After that, if you want to rename, you can use this save as option. Okay, save as option. This option is used to rename this file. And if I close this one, how can I close this one? Quit button. Again, if I take to this one, how can I open this file again? This saved file again. I will show you. Using this file menu, there is a button called open. Okay, open button. You click on this open button, you may select first the folder. From this folder we can select our file. Was it a program? Okay. Then your scratch program will get your scratch program window. Okay, file. Okay, like this way we can open your saved file. This is a use of open, save and save as. Okay, options. Okay, they all understood about this one. My next video I will show you how to create the scratch programming. Using scratch programming we can develop games. Do you like this one? Then you should watch my videos and you should subscribe my channel, then only you will get a next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, We will meet in the next video. Bye bye. Should study and children should study this one, and all of you please practice this one. If you have a computer to home, you should practice this one, very helpful for you. If you develop this one, you can easily study other programming languages also. Okay, if you like this one, please share to others. If you want to get my previous videos, subscribe my channel. If you want to get my next videos notification, enable that bell button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Bye bye.